How to log out your Netflix account from other devices. Now, if you want to keep your Netflix account safe and want to disable or log out your account in other devices, you just simply need to open Netflix and tap to this My Netflix button from the bottom right corner. And once you tap in there, you need to select your profile and the name from the top left corner. And once you tap in there, you need to select the option of account. Tap to account, and then you will be in the account setting page of Netflix. You need to scroll down to all, and once you do that, you are going to see this option of access and devices. Tap to access and devices, and then you will see all of the devices that can access your account. Now, in order to log your account out of them, you need to tap into the sign out of all devices button right here, and after tapping in this, all of the devices that have access to your account will lose the access to your account. And this is how you can do it very easily. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.